TD Bank versus Capital One, which one is better? Today, we are going to demonstrate the difference between TD Bank and Capital One, which one is better. So here I have this table which will demonstrate the difference for you. So the first thing that we will talk about is branches. TD Bank have extensive network of branches in the US, while Capital One has fewer physical branches, mostly online. If you talk about the ATM, TD Bank gives you extensive ATM network, while Capital One have wide ATM network, including all points. If you talk about checkpoints, TD Bank have various check account options, while Capital One have checking account with no monthly fees. If you talk about the saving options, TD Bank has saving account with competitive rates, while Capital One has high yield saving options available. If we talk about the credit card, TD Bank offers a range of credit cards, while Capital One offer a variety of credit cards. If you talk about the mobile banking, robust mobile banking app for the TD Bank and feature-rich mobile banking app for the Capital One. Now, if we talk about the customer service, the TD Bank generally positive customer reviews, while if you talk about the Capital One, both have the same thing. Now, if we talk about the fees, TD Bank, some accounts have monthly fees, while if you talk about the Capital One, some accounts have no monthly fees. So that's pretty much it. That was the details. Totally depends upon you, whatever you want to choose. Hope you guys find this video helpful.